Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Congratulations are in order to Candice Modiselle Njengobugele. She's officially off the market. Kesana guys, I saw malobolo bega Black Friday this year because wow. It seems like wonke umuntu lotsholiwe osekusele abokuphikisana nemadoda because wow, wonke umuntu guys ungena ku-TikTok, ungena kuphi bantu guys bavulela mandwendwe bantu guys lebe singabaqabani bantu lebe sigroova nabo namhla bona babalobola siselekethini so loku siphikisa badoda sho ukuthi ngithi lesathela sawudelwandle. Congratulations Mogele. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.